In this lesson, we'll go through some tips on where to look for jobs. We'll look at several different sources that you can look for jobs and how you can best communicate to potential employers. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first start looking for a job, there's a ton of information on the internet, but it's overwhelming for a first-time job seeker. We'll review 4 different places that offer different opportunities for job seekers. Let's go through each one of these in detail. The first site that I'll cover is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great way to build your professional network. Recently, they've also added job postings to the site as well, and it's a very active place for potential employers. Start by filling out your profile and make sure it's complete. Next, you can start building your network by including professional references and people you work with. Also, job recruiters can be included on this site as well. Not only is the site useful for finding your first job, but it may be very useful in finding other career opportunities throughout your career. LinkedIn also has the capability of exporting your profile to a PDF file and can really be used as a resume as well. The next site we'll talk about is Monster.com. Monster is one of the major job posting sites, and there are many others like Monster out on the internet as well. Monster will be able to help you target jobs by classification as well as by geographic area. A lot of information will be generated from this site for you, but you need to make sure to keep up with email and phone calls from job leads. One often overlooked site for jobs is Craigslist. This site typically only posts entry-level jobs, but may be a great way to get started with a help desk position or a support position and then be able to work your way up. Another great way to look for jobs is through the use of a recruiting service. Check the local ads to see what services are available in your area. You can also check with your friends and family to see if they have any recommendations on which services they think are particularly good. If you're attending a programming boot camp, you can check with your instructor to see what services they might recommend. In summary, you'll need to have multiple sources to be able to get the right job. Keep a log of all the places you've contacted and all the people you've talked to so you not get confused when they call you back. You may need to start with a support position and work your way up to a programming position. Try to enjoy this process even though it might be frustrating, and after getting your first job, don't worry, this process gets much easier. This concludes this lesson on where to search for jobs. I hope it's given you some good tips and it can aid you in your job search. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson.